Hello, what's up guys? I just have this Samsung Galaxy Note 3 with a very wide fault. When I bought these off eBay, it's described the Wi-Fi is faulty on it. It won't connect to any network. This is my network now, what you can see in there. You can see the Wi-Fi is working. It looks nothing wrong with it at all. And if I connect it to my network, it really works. I should connect it. I can show you the mobile data is off, so it's not on the mobile data, it's on the Wi-Fi. Let's go on Google, if I can find a browser for it. Google search stopped. Google Chrome. You can see that goes on to accept the terms and conditions. Don't want to sign in. Don't want to take a tour. Just give me Google and search bar like help. I accidentally died. I don't think anyone can hang up on that, but have a look what it says. So there is the result. It's all on the internet. The way things about this phone now works as long as I want it to. It's just like whatever, how many times I want to turn this off, turns off. I want to just turn it back, it will turn back. But if I do reboot the phone and just like turn it off and on, the Wi-Fi won't work for a reason. I don't know what reason is. It really just shows like a light blue color, light green color, not like what green you see now, just a bit lighter, and it shows like Wi-Fi is turning on, and that shows for a few minutes and then it just goes off. I did change in ROMs on it. I did change modem on it. I did change in CSC on it, and I even changed the CSC location from, because this was on Hong Kong location, I changed it to EU, but nothing really changed on it. And I don't, it's just so many times I can turn it on, turn it off, turn it on as I wanted, and it just goes on to my network, and everything is absolutely fine. But if I do turn the phone off and just reboot it, say restart there. Oh sorry, before I do that, just show you something. I turned this off, so Wi-Fi is off, you can see that, and then I just give it a go, restart the phone. Your device restart, that's what we want. So when it restarts, the Wi-Fi will be automatically try to turn it on itself without pressing it. Then it just won't go on. And what I need to do then, get the battery out, leave it for a while, sometimes only 2 minutes, but sometimes it takes overnight, and then I just replace the battery, turn the phone on, and the Wi-Fi works. And that is really the problem what I get with this Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Anyone came across with this problem before? What this can be? Because I don't think it's a hardware problem, as the Wi-Fi was on, so you can see the Wi-Fi did work. Now the Wi-Fi is off. That's weird, it's never happened before. Let's see if it comes on. Before I tried these, the Wi-Fi was always on automatically. Now disable that. It is just not comes on. You see it's turning on, turning on, turning on. It's really like that for quite a long time, but it just won't turn on because it's just won't. And also I cannot turn it off. So whatever what I'm doing now is just won't let me to do anything what I want. It's just not doing anything at all. So what I need to do, get the battery out, leave it for a while, and then it works again. If anyone have some solution, thanks guys.